Hey everyone, this is Michelle Edmonds, and yes, they do call me the godmother. Good morning, and it's nice to join you today on this beautiful, sunny, crisp day in hot Atlanta. I thought it would be a good time, and this is totally impromptu. Trust me, anyone who knows me knows that I don't do videos, but we will start doing more videos, and I wanted to kick off doing that up after Kelly Wilford's post, and you can go to my Facebook page and you'll see it. The reason why I'm choosing this time to out myself and to talk to all of you is because I am aware that the post will inspire a lot of questions, and I do want Kelly to have time to focus on herself. And I need to tell you in my own words what we do and how we do it. And so let's do that. First, Serenity actually started in 1992. My husband and I started Serenity Health and Body Shop, and we were a retail walk-in location in Hempstead, New York. We were actually located on the retail level of a health and fitness gym, and we had a vegetarian restaurant and juice bar, and then we also had the retail vitamin shop. This was all walk-in, and I initially am a counseling psychologist. Let me go back just a little bit. I'm a counseling psychologist and by training. And during my practice, I was doing, be honest with you, I was a little bored. I was doing private practice, relationships, and addiction. Many times people would come in and talk to me and want to talk about what their mom did to them when they were age 3. And quite honestly, everyone, I was bored. Every week we would talk about what happened when they were 3. And I thought we can do better than this. We can talk and we can do better than this. We can move this along and fast forward this and get some work done. I thought about introducing a detox program in my practice, and I did so. And soon I had a waiting list, whereas my colleagues were getting laid off in the industry. That was my first time that I realized that I was onto something. Then my husband and I thought, well, why don't we introduce the detox program at Serenity right here? It makes sense. In fact, it makes even more sense here. And I said, well, yeah, but where do we meet? Where should we hold the classes? We had just opened and we didn't have a lot of space other than the store. My husband said, why don't you sit in the restaurant? There were lots of tables and chairs there. And so I did. And here I am talking about poop when people were eating veggie burgers. And now my mother, for those of you that don't know her, my mother was down to earth, bougie. And she was really an agitator in her own right, but she was down to earth, bougie. And when it came to her daughter. And so she came in and she said, oh my God, I cannot believe my daughter is talking about poop while people are trying to eat. And, I kind of thought about it and I said, you know something, this is not exactly going to pass marketing 101. But I kept going because my husband and I looked up and we realized we literally, and some of the old timers who are still in the program can confirm this, we literally had a line outside the door halfway down the street. Then we opened a second location in Valley Stream, New York. Many of you know of that on East Merrick Road. And we literally had standing room only on Saturdays in the waiting room. Some of you were spilled into the lobby. And people who are great, awesome friends of the program, like Mildred Moore, like Angelica Braithwaite, and many of Shaquana Devers, many of you can verify that this is how I began. Fast forward. I'm still talking about poop because I hope you're not eating, by the way, even though I'm doing a morning program, right? Um, I still talk about poop. We cleanse the colon, we cleanse the blood, we do liver and gallbladder cleansing if you have your gallbladder. We also detox the kidneys. Kidneys are very dear to me because Mr. Edmonds has since transitioned since we opened Serenity. And by the way, so did my mom. I'm still at it, still beating the drum, trying to get your attention, trying to get you to take this seriously. I'm not someone who just got on the obesity epidemic when it got in. The second thing that I do is that I change the way you eat. Now, you must know that was coming, right? And so, to that end, we're going to talk about the paleo lifestyle, which is what I teach. I've always taught that, by the way. Well, we're going to talk strict paleo. We're not gonna BS it. We're going to do strict paleo. And so if you Google paleo, and by the way, it's spelled Paleo. If you Google paleo, you're going to see a plethora of information. I hope you do. And by the way, LeBron James is paleo, but so is Angelina Jolie, Paltrow. But it really wasn't until LeBron James became paleo that it really took off in the community. Number three, we're going to add liquid vitamins. And I want you to hold off until you join the program. Talk to me because I want to make sure that you get vitamins that are not just a jar of syrup, a bottle of syrup, because many of them are. Remember, I used to own a health food store and a walk-in vitamin store, and I know all the companies. We chose the best. So hang on, don't buy anything. Talk to me first. With all that said, everyone, I want to thank Kelly one more time. Kelly, I hope you're watching. Appreciate you. And you took a stand. You have just been such a blessing. So is your whole family. Mandy, who's in the program, Reese is in the program. I want to thank you all for the wonderful, wonderful job you have done with Serenity and getting what it means. With that said, everyone, my name is Michelle Edmonds, and yeah, they do call me the Godmother. You can reach me at 404-445-8579, or you can hit me up on Facebook at Serenity Weight Loss. Thank you so much. God bless you, and have a wonderful day.